Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as you know that I started the Lego EV3 series. So actually I know this video will be a bit noisy because I'm in school and I've got a special permission from my school principal so that I can post videos. So LGS is the whole owner of these videos and it is in these videos I buy its permission. Okay, this totally belongs to them. So today we made a Lego EV3 project. I was not able to record the previous build because this is the most basic. So in today's video we will be programming this machine. So first I will give you a small introduction to it. This is a Lego EV3 Mindstorm kit and there are some which I built this. There are some motors, some tires, a caster ball, two motors, then a CPU, and then it has all these ports. So there will be a demo inside this and we will be able to use it. I will show you once it is started. And as you can see that it has started, I will just press on this and this will just give a demo. See, this was a demo program. As you can see, it is also written over there in demo. Just click on this button and it will start. Okay, so this is a demo and today we will be coding this thing. So let's begin. So guys, to code this robot, we have to connect the port to the computer. So we have a cable over here and we will connect it. We have connected it and now we have to connect it in the PC. So let's begin. So guys, first we have this app installed on our PC. It is the Lego Mindstorm app. You open it. So guys, this is what happens when you open this and you have get all of these instructions and set up all of these. Like, come on guys. So what we have to do is that we have to open this program or a new page, and on the file section we open this project. So this is the interface that we get. So we have to connect. This is the port connected to the machine. We will connect it with the computer and then we'll get a message which will tell us that you can see that the Hype Fury. You can see that the port is now connected and everything is available now. So I will just label it as LGS machine because so it doesn't allow. So I'll just put it as LGS and I will click download on the machine, and once it is done you see that the name would have been changed to LGS on the top. Okay, so I will show you another example. For example, I will change the name. It from my device. No space. And I will just download it, and then you will see that the name will again be changed from LGS to my device or whatever I wrote over there. So this was how we change the name. Now I will give you just short things how do we have to use it. So this tells us the firmware where I'm moving my cursor. I will just zoom out. Okay, so this is the run program where we will connect. So actually this is block programming. Okay, now we have to program in blocks. So we have all the blocks which robot uses. So as we are using a large motor beneath, as I showed you, these are the two large motors. I will use a large motor brick. And I will just connect it. With the program. Yeah, okay. So as I have already connected it. So As you can see that this is all, I will just zoom in so that you can get a good.
ऊपर ना हो इसमें डस्ट आएगी, उठाओ नीचे से.
Here it is. So I just zoomed in a bit out of. So this is for rotations. This is your speed, at the speed at which the motors will run. So it is currently at 50. I will just increase it to 60. Okay. Then we have the rotation. Rotations I will just turn it to, let's turn it to 5. And then break at end. To break the code, I will zoom out again. And then on the bottom over here you have download and run. That the upper one is only download, as you can see where my cursor is moving. This is only download and this is download and run. But before that I would just like to show some of the software parts. That so in this software we have, these are some colors. In this color there are some, in each color there are separate different types of blocks. This is for sensors, this is for motors, and this is for separate different parts. Okay, this is the firmware information, this is the download, and this is the download and run, and this is the battery level. It shows the battery level. So now I have already coded. I will just put it, and you can see that it is now moving. Okay, I will once it this is, as you can see that when I coded it, there is something called program. Wait a minute. So after I have uploaded this, I can see that there is a program. First there was a demo, now there is a program available, and this is the code. Now when I press it, you can see the tires are now moving. Because this is single tire code, only one motor is moving. I will again press it on it, and you can see that according to the speed. And now when I am going to increase the speed, I am going to increase the speed to, let's take it to 100, the maximum speed. 100. Now we'll download and run, and you can see that the speed is now increased. Press on the code. Speed has increased from 60 to 100. So we'll just like have some more fun with the code. We'll like increase the number of rotations to like 15, like 5, because the maximum is 10, I guess. No, I will take it to 10, and we'll only download this time. So I will turn it on with the button. Once it is done, I will press on the, and you can see that the degrees rotation has increased. Okay. So this is how it works. So guys, in today's video it was only this about this most simple coding introduction to the Lego software. So I hope you like this video, and this is only the starting. You will receive many more videos regarding Arduino, Raspberry Pi, all of these types of projects. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe for more education videos, and also that my channel is now officially the first channel on YouTube in Pakistan who is making videos in detail, step-by-step videos on the educational EV3 kits, which are almost not available in Pakistan, but we are working with this in the cooperation with LGS. So I hope you appreciate this effort. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Guys, I found so the task was that we have to, that is a specific size of a board, we have to make the machine go front, like go forward, rotate 180 degrees and then come back. So I figured it out. So first we will use the steering code. We will use the rotation. This is, we go straight, speed, and the rotation. The rotation is the length, how much far we have to go. So I have connected this. Then we have to rotate 3 degrees. Again 1.65 rotation, 58 the speed. Then I used to come back. Then okay, so this was the code, and I just was adding the sound, so it is not important. So now I will show you by turning the motor on by using the car on the board. So let's go. So this is the board size. Then there is one line over there. And
आधे घंटे से ट्राई कर रहे हो आप.
so guys, this is the board now. I will just turn the program on. Just like I showed you, the robot went the required length forward and then came back in the reverse by rotating. Okay, and this was the coding. So this is the part 1 and many more parts are coming, and I will be explaining just like this step by step in each tutorial about Lego EV3, Python, Raspberry Pi Pico and many other things. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe so that you can get. And officially I want to tell you again that officially my channel is to make step by step tutorials of this EV3 kit, Lego EV3, with cooperation of my LG school, grammar school. Credit goes to them. So please, if you really appreciate this effort, please remember to like, share, subscribe, support my channel, and I will create a playlist for all of these videos. This is a part 1. Part 2 is many parts are coming soon. So like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.